The following message is transmitted at the request of the Rave Break plant in Ohio. This is a message from the Rave County Sheriff's Office. Due to the amount of the Rave Breaks impacting local communities, an evacuation order has been issued for Rave Break, Ohio and low-lying areas of State Frosty, Ohio. An evacuation order means that Rave Break is an immediate threat to life. An evacuation order is a lawful order to leave now and seek shelter away from the area. The area is lawfully closed to public access. An evacuation order will likely be the last order given.